Good day all. We are back to the 2016 Ford Explorer series. The car has been with the mechanic for a while now, and we've just been able to get footage to upload on its update. Okay, presently it is with the panel beater, having its body fixed. This happened. This is immediately after the mechanic finished his own activities. One thing you don't get to know with buying salvage cars is secondary damages. This car came with its own secondary damages, different from the broken suspension that we fixed in an earlier video before towing it down to the workshop. The secondary damages that we had in this car were actually two. They were major damages, but they've been fixed now. First, we had a broken steering rack and a broken gearbox. Not actually the gearbox itself, the gearbox housing. We had, you see the pictures passing through. We believe this occurred when this car had this accident. It hit the floor, and these are bottom parts of the car, all made of aluminium, and they cracked. Luckily for us, we've had this resolved. How did we resolve them? Like I said, the gearbox puncture, more like a housing puncture, didn't touch any part of the gearbox, so there was no gearbox replacement. We had the gearbox, the housing welded, and that solved that particular problem. But for the steering rack, as you can see, it's broke all the way around the housing. So we had a replacement housing for it, a replacement housing where we now remove the interior of our steering rack and put in the new one, because in the new housing, because to buy a full steering rack was quite expensive, and it was just the housing that was defective. Both have been resolved, mechanic work done, and the car completed. It's even been surfaced. Vehicle doesn't have any problem now, just to complete the panel work. Like we all know from beginning, the panel work is more concentrated on the passenger side of the car. That you've seen from earlier footages as it has been done and completed. Here in this country, while working on cars in workshops, we put every part of the car inside it, hence you see the interior a little bit scattered. These are parts that were removed from this car in its repairing, because in workshops we don't want to mix up cars, and we don't want to mix up parts and lose car parts. This is the best option so far for us. Engine still very okay. For us to have done the gearbox, we had to remove the engine. You will see it in the picture attached here. Engine was removed, gearbox was detached from the engine. Since it's an aluminium welding, we didn't want the heat to destroy the components of the gearbox, so the gearbox was actually dismantled itself. That footage, it's lost. You would have really loved that. It was a very beautiful assembly and disassembly job, where every component in the gearbox was carefully removed in order, and placed back the way it was removed. While the housing was taken to for welding, welded, all blocked, and gearbox good to go. We also had little niggling repairs. These are inevitable with salvage cars. From attached pictures, you can see the radiator was changed, same with condenser, as they came busted. Also, the radiator housing had to be fixed. These were little repairs that were just carried out without any problems. That is all. Kindly enjoy the remaining part of the footage, and you'll be seeing the completed panel work at the end of this stream. Goodbye all.